This is a 1971 Mercedes 280 SE Coupe low grille, chassis number W111. It's a fully restored and it was sold in California for $82,000 in 2021. The Mercedes-Benz W111 was a chassis code given to the range of Mercedes-Benz vehicle produced between 1959 to 1971, including four-door sedan from 1959 to 1968 and two-door coupe and cabriolet from 1961 to 1971. The 1961 coupe was 220 SE, which they had 2.2-liter inline straight six-cylinder and was produced from 1961 to 1965. In 1965, introduced 250 SE coupe, which it was 2.5-liter six-cylinder, and it was from 1965 to 1967. And 280 SE coupe starts from 1967 to 1971, which it was 2.8-liter straight inline six-cylinder. And 280 SE 3.5 coupe and cabriolet V8 was produced from 1969 to 1971. In March 1962, Mercedes-Benz released the exclusive two-door M189 powered 300 SE. Like the 300 Saloon, it was based on the W111 chassis, but shared both Daimler's top-ranged 3-liter fuel-injected engine and the unique 1W112 chassis designation.
If you find it, it's not worth it. Wow. It came from a collector? This guy, no, he was not a collector. This was the only yeah. Wow. Okay. All of it. I mean, whoever, he did this or he bought it like this? No, he did this. Wow. All of it. This is the boxes. Match 73 gram boxes, I agree. That's only one. You know what? I wanted to be an a-hole earlier and say this is the only thing that she does with me, but you said it. I agree. Because look, there's nothing yellow, nothing. It stands out. Az már ezt is szárki műsorban be, ennek kalszeg. És? Yes, I'm not Johnson. Maybe Johnson. It's not a audio, but what it is, I'm black page on it.